Hello everyone. Hi, my name is Ruth and welcome to another craft time. Today we're going to do a foam paint. How fun is this? Shall we start? Let's start. Today I'm going to show you how to do this puffy paint, it's called. Yeah, it's running because it's really waiting for a long time in my paper. So let's show you how to make this. It's a paint that you can use outside in a flat surface, no? And I'm going to show you materials for this one. For example, we're going to need food coloring, okay, shaving cream, glue, a container, a spoon, okay, maybe a cloth if you want to clean your hands. You also can do paper because they can work on the table too, right? There's something nice and hard. What else? A tray. You can use a tray. This is an optional. And this plastic bag that we can put the paint on it. Maybe some tape, scissors, and this is also optional as a container that you can find in the dollar store too. And it's also useful for foam paint. Okay, I already have two. This is blue and this is pink or purple. What I did, I'm going to show you after what I did. So we're going to go through the process gradually. Let's start. Put my camera down here and let's start with a piece of paper, okay? This is also you can go outside and painting in the snow, like the reminder snow we have right now, okay? So maybe on the floor too is safe. As long as the rain comes and wash it out, it's fine. Okay, so what you're going to need to do is pour some shaving cream in a container is better. Okay, you can also put it straight to the, if you have those bottles. Okay, first the shaving cream, food coloring, and the glue, and then move on some kind of stick around inside. But it was taking me a lot of time, and it's quite a little bit challenge. So more easy is if you pour this in the container. Okay, and it's half. So this much, half a cup of Rixie, 1 cup of shaving cream, right, and 1 cup of glue. I think I have just a cup in this. Oh, yeah, it doesn't run much, so I'm gonna use the new one. Oh, it's quite heavy. Okay, let's pour this one into here, and it should be a cup. Okay. Yeah, this is a cup. There you go. And then we're gonna need is the food coloring. So in this case, I'm gonna use maybe green, light green and green. Let's see how that goes. One. Oh, great. This green doesn't want to come out for some reason. Didn't work. This light green then. Let's try that. Lots of green. Yeah, like 10 drops or something. Trust me, they want to do more than that. It's up to you, right? And look at how my color is turning. Move it with a spoon, okay? Stir until you see the glue get together with the foam, okay? Now don't work in too much, okay? Because then it gets too plain, okay? Get a container and pour some. What I did in this case, oh wait, I'm gonna damage my paper. What I did in this case is get a container, right? Get the glue, and I just let it go. See? Let it go. Ta-da! Quite messy, yeah. It will be a little bit. Until you finish, fill it up, yes. But it gets fast, you know? Once you fill it, it's there for them to play for quite a little bit. To do some art on the floor, like I say, in the snow, do your snowman and then drop some color around. How fun it will be that, you know? It looks like art. So cute. So they can go around, even if you want to do in a paper outside, yes, go ahead. You know, this is not gonna stay, like this is not gonna dry well, you know, hard. It's just gonna go plain. Gonna go exactly the same, but a little bit, the foam will stay a little bit, but it will take days and days to dry. Yeah. All right. See, and that's it. I feel it. It's done. See, get it closed. That's why I say okay, goes on close handy. This is so handy. And then just clean it, right? Get the top and close it, and that, voila, we have our foam painting. Okay, that was one color. Let's do another one, okay, to show you how to practice how to do it. So get some foam, half a cup, right? Get some glue, about half a cup too. Okay, and get the food coloring that you want. This case, I'm gonna do this red one. Let's see. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Does they count like that? Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Get a spoon. The spoon is messy. That's why I have my clothes that I can just clean it. Easy peasy. And move it around. Ooh. Like I say, when you move, you want this go together, but don't take too long, okay? Because and then the shabby cream is going to be turning into liquid, and we don't want that, okay? We want this consistency. It's enough for me. Now get the plastic bag and pour it in there. Practically, you can do this if you want. And voila. Not too much, because you know why? Because they're going to squeeze. And when they squeeze, it's going to be, you know, quite a little bit challenge. All right. So once you have the paint in there, what you're going to do is cut it here a little piece. And I'm going to show you how we can put this into our paper, okay? Let's see here. I'm going to do maybe some kind of pictures already. So, okay, let's start. How about... Oh. Well, this is not want to come up. That's okay. I'm gonna do a little bit the ocean thing, okay? Ocean, like the ocean. Doesn't like the ocean. You can go fishing, you can go swimming, you play in the sun, do some sand castles, right? Or you can even just walk on the beach, right? Fun. Then I'm gonna do the sun, for example, the sun in the middle, like just in the middle. There you go. This is my sun. Didn't turn quite yellow that I want, but not too bad. See? And then I can do maybe to look more like the sun, you know. I can just go on a stripe if I want to. There you go. And voila. The more important, guys, you need to have fun. You need to have fun with this. Do your own creation. Do your own thing. What you like, what you feel. See? I make the sun and the ocean. And also you can do whatever you want. Some birds around, and like, how about one of my birds turn pink? Yeah, why not? I don't mind my birds are pink, because my mind is about colors, and that's what I wanna do. That's it. There you go. All right. Now also, as on the auction that you can do is put into the tray. The tray is also fun to do it, right? So I'm going to show you with this one. You cut a little piece in here, right? Not too big, okay? Make sure this is closed, right? And then just squeeze it. And just squeeze, 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 and squeeze, and squeeze. That's it. See? Put on the side. Get whatever you want in the middle. This one maybe. I'm doing a flower, guys. A flower. But you can do whatever you want. When you do your own creation, this is what you feel is what you're gonna do. Okay? Also, you can copy me if you want. Like, I don't mind. Look at it. See? So many things that you can do with the foam paint. And you can do it, like I say, outside, sidewalks, whatever is on the top of the snow. anything. You can use plastic containers as a container. You can use these fancy ones also, and you can do you can have many colors as you want. I have only 3. See, I'm playing on 3. That's it. Well guys, thank you for watching. I hope you have fun, and with me it'll be until the next time, and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this craft. Bye bye.